Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. If you're joining us for the first time and you find our videos interesting and helpful, then you're welcome to join the family by smashing that subscription button and notification bell so you're notified each time we put out a new video. And to our existing subscribers, thanks for being a part of the family, and don't forget to like and share. Today, we shall be looking at Boost Your Blogging Journey. Discover the 13 best resources for you. Blogging isn't only time consuming, it's an expensive endeavor too. To get better at it, you need to spend quite a bit of money to gain mastery of the various facets of this craft, including writing, promotions, people skills, and much more. The apparent problems, however, are that blogging resources are pretty pricey and many of them are overwhelming. How can you know which ones to choose? Fret not. Not only have we done the research for you and helped you narrow down to the best thing out there, but we've also ensured that our picks are free. You read that right. It's free. You won't have to pay a dime. So, buckle up and get ready to explore the hidden gems that can transform your blog into a captivating platform, captivate your readers, and amplify your online presence. Let's dive into the world of these 13 best free resources and unlock the true potential of your blogging aspirations. 1. The Beginner's Guide to Branding by Laura Busche. Laura Busche is a brand strategist and author. Sometime in 2021, she wrote a free ebook, The Beginner's Guide to Branding, that takes you through the process and best practices regarding branding. The free ebook contains 6 short chapters and is only 35 pages long, making it an excellent tool for busy bloggers to quickly read and catch up on all the latest branding tips. In the book, Laura Busche addresses common pitfalls many people make during branding, including choosing the wrong names and poor visual branding. 2. What is Social by Randy Hlavac. Rated an impressive 4.6 out of 5 from over 1,000 reviews on Coursera, What is Social is a popular and free course that, in instructor Randy Hlavac's words, is designed to give you an overview of social and the important ways you need to view social to build successful marketing strategies. The course comes in video and text formats and also includes graded assignments. All the videos can be translated into English and other languages, making them accessible to many students. One of the great things about this course is its flexibility. Although it is designed to be completed in 4 weeks, you can decide how fast you want to go. Upon completion, you're also issued a shareable certificate. 3. Free graphic design training by Kristin Rappaport. Being graphic design savvy can be a significant advantage for bloggers, and this free graphic design training program by Kristin Rappaport can get you started in your graphic design skill acquisition. The video tutorial covered the basic of graphic design in a beginner-friendly way using short video snippets that touch on fundamentals like alignment, contrast, proximity, and repetition. It also addresses common graphic design blunders beginners make, like using the wrong color choices and how to read text. 4. The Complete Collection, Content Creation Templates, HubSpot. The Complete Collection lives up to its name, with over 150 templates to create any blog, infographic, or ebook you want. This free resource contains the following: 15 infographic templates, 6 ebook templates, 50 social media image templates, 26 call to action templates, 1 press release template, 5 blog post templates, 4 PowerPoint templates, 3 case study templates, and many more. Furthermore, this collection has a helpful editorial calendar to help you plan and schedule your posts and contents. 5. 10-Step Copywriting Framework by Arman Assadi. Have you been thinking about how to step up your copywriting skills? If you have, you undoubtedly know the importance of mastering the act of persuasive writing without appearing desperate. Thankfully, a free webinar created by Arman Assadi will teach you the skill for free, even if you're a beginner. To watch the webinar, you must sign up and wait about 9 minutes for free training. It's well worth stating here that the video has no playback control buttons. Therefore, if you must watch it, set aside about 1 hour and 30 minutes. 6. Babel Quest Content Audit Template. Babel Quest is small but effective content audit templates presented in Excel format and very useful for individuals seeking to rejuvenate their blog that is already filled with much content. It proves to be equally beneficial for those who have acquired or assumed control over an existing blog from another individual. Its purpose is to assist you in comprehensively evaluating your existing content, identifying potential gaps in your coverage, and compiling a detailed list of design changes and updates. By utilizing its resources, you can effectively strategize and enhance your blog's overall quality. 7. Free 5-day mini challenge for traffic and monetization by Lena Gott. The free 5-day mini challenge course is a text-based online course that aims to help you discover creative ways to boost your traffic and consequently your income. On the first day, the course introduces you to simplifying your traffic strategy. On the second day, you learn how to leverage your traffic and boost your income via income pathways. Day 3 teaches you to implement powerful calls to action to encourage your customers to take your desired actions. Day 4 introduces you to hidden niches. On the final day, you learn how to track your growth correctly. 8. The SEO Bootcamp, Stupid Simple SEO by Pearson. The SEO Bootcamp is an online video course by Pearson that features essential lessons about scaling your income and traffic. This course contains 5 different videos that are between 7 and 12 minutes long each. The program touches on essential topics like keyword research, domain authority, etc. When you're done with this free resource, you have a much better understanding of search engine optimization and all the tips you need to use to improve your traffic and income. 9. Free weekly newsletter planner by Kate Doster. You need a weekly newsletter planner if you get confused about what to send to your email subscribers and inevitably ghost them. This fantastic resource comes in PDF format and contains 2 years worth of strategically planned newsletter topics. Within this complimentary weekly newsletter planner, you will discover a set of 4 thought-provoking prompts for each month. Additionally, 4 additional prompts are included as a bonus for those months that necessitate the distribution of 5 newsletters. This plan ensures you have a well-rounded collection of prompts throughout the year to effectively guide your newsletter creation process. Awesome! 10. WP Beginners WordPress 101 Video Tutorials by Syed Balkhi. I am tired of self-proclaimed blogging experts charging hundreds of dollars to teach how to use WordPress. I believe basic education like this should be free. These are the words of Syed Balkhi, a hero in his own right. Balkhi and his team released 37 separate tutorial videos that gently introduce beginner bloggers to everything they need to know. The lesson curriculum covers a wide range of topics between 2 and 7 minutes per video, including installing themes, using the block editor, and more. 11. Free Keyword Research Tool by Ryan Robinson. Ryan Robinson's free keyword research tool is a powerful AI-powered software that can help you conduct thorough keyword research without paying a dime. The intuitive app is simple to use. Type in your keyword and does the heavy lifting for you in a few seconds. It provides valuable insights like monthly search volume, difficulty level. That is, how hard it will be to rank on a particular keyword, ideas, and more. Ryan Robinson assures you that this too will never become premium at any time. In his own words, it is forever free. 12. WordPress training course. Learn how to build a WordPress website using Elementor by Shocket. The WordPress training course is a video course designed by Shocket to introduce the newbie to the fundamentals of WordPress in a friendly way. And it does that without you having to spend any money. The course is made up of 3 lessons split into 17 videos for a total of 1 hour and 11 minutes. The course starts by guiding you through setting up your website. It provides a comprehensive understanding of WordPress, encompassing topics such as installing WordPress plugins and themes. Finally, it delves into teaching you how to use the renowned page builder, Elementor, thus equipping you with the necessary skills to leverage its functionalities effectively. 13. AI-powered blog title generator tool by Ryan Robinson. The AI-powered blog title generator tool is a nifty software that can help you generate dozens of blog titles once you input your keyword phrase. The titles generated by this tool are SEO friendly, catchy, and designed to stand out from the competition. The blog title generator is another offering by Ryan Robinson and is entirely free. As we conclude this exhilarating journey through the 13 best resources for bloggers, it's clear that the path to blogging success is paved with abundant opportunities and limitless potentials. Your blogging enterprise will see a giant leap forward as you put the tools here to use. We encourage you to embrace the knowledge gained, experiment with the techniques shared, and let your passion for blogging flourish. Remember, your blogging journey is a unique adventure, and these resources are here to guide you and inspire you along the way. So, go on and make an indelible mark on the digital landscape. If you were able to watch this video to the end, thumbs up to you, and thanks for watching. I hope this video was really useful. Cheers, and see you in our next video. Bye-bye.